So today we're doing a recap on a project management application called Taskade. It is something we've covered here on the channel before, but we actually haven't covered it in a fair while. It's probably been 2 years since we looked at Taskade, and it's very much grown up. It's not a teenager, but it definitely has been growing in terms of features and the fixes that it's made to the experience. So I want to overview in today's video, give you everything you need to know about this application. So let's start with what Taskade is. It's sort of like a lightweight project management application. It allows you to manage your tasks, projects, and be able to use them in a lot of different views. I'll explain some of the major features in a minute, but it's available on Android, iOS, it also is available on Mac, PC, and it does have even Linux editions as well, and some nice browser extensions. Now the application itself is also available on AppSumo, which is a service that sells software. And that's quite popular, but it also has a Y Combinator backing, which is a very popular US investment company, and it has gone through that process as well. So in terms of major features, as I said, it's really for micro project management, tasks, calendar, and mind mapping too. It's a great way to input a lot of stuff like notes and meeting notes, documents, notes, and be able to just plot them into a project management and some of your tasks for the days. They can intertwine inside of this application. Its design is really, really nice too. So when I say lightweight project manager, what I mean is it doesn't necessarily have the advanced and flexibility of apps like Monday and ClickUp, but it does have more abilities than something like Taskade, really a little bit more on par with the likes of Trello in the way that it's built. One of the things that I really like inside of Taskade is the way that they've structured it so that you can move from creating notes in a journal all the way over to managing a project with team members. They have a great My and Personal and Work area, which is really nice. And that sort of transition between them is perfect for small teams and for managing your own productivity. So some more of my personal favorite features, they actually have a video call function inside this application. So if you're working in a small team and want to start collaborating over a video call, you can actually do that inside of the application too. As I said, there is a lot of that personal productivity aspect in here. You could start taking a bullet journal in here, and some of the journaling abilities and some of their templates they offer are really nice. And I love some of the customization abilities, especially being able to use a lot of color and highlighting around this application, and then subtly transitioning into a board and even being able to plot ideas as a mind map, which is really nice. Something I really like as well about the application is it's reasonably priced at $5 per month for their premium plan, which is fairly reasonable, much more tailored towards a lightweight project management pricing, which I said at the beginning. Okay, so let's give it a score and summary. This is an app that I've covered for a long time now, and I would probably say this is best for small teams. It's flexible enough for them, but it doesn't have some of the rigidity that you'd see inside of ClickUp and Monday and some of the other big ones like Asana and Trello. However, it does have that personal productivity and the flexible nature of the views as well as a nice level of templates too, which can help get you started. I would probably say this application is suitable for no more than 15 people and has some great personal productivity aspects to it as well if you're looking to use it for your own setups. Although do note that their free plan does have some limitations when it comes to storage. I believe it was only 1,000 megabytes, but that should set you out if you're not uploading large files. So folks, that was our recap of Taskade. I'm going to give it a B. Thank you very much folks for stopping by. Let us know if you found this video useful. You can use in the comments below to share your experience with Taskade. But if you're new here to Keep Productive, make sure to subscribe. It'd be great to have you. We do plenty of productivity app software, tutorials and app reviews. Thank you very much folks, and I'll see you in a future video. Cheerio!